Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Still a slim chance we could see some spotty snow showers during the next couple of hours ahead of that Arctic cold front. So be prepared for some slick spots on some roads if you run into these spotty snow showers till roughly about 4 to 5 a.m. But be prepared for that piercing cold to be out there throughout our Saturday and Sunday. It'll be at its worst Saturday morning, where we could see wind chills as cold as 20 below zero, coupled with wind gusts possibly upwards of 50 miles per hour. That is a dangerous combination that could lead to frostbite for exposed skin in less than 30 minutes. It's still going to be bitterly cold throughout the day on Sunday, with sub-zero wind chills lasting until Sunday afternoon. Taking a live look right now over Lancaster. During the 10 o'clock hour, we still had some flurries flying. Looks like we're briefly drying back out over Lancaster. You can see roadways are wet, but there could be a little coating of some snow in spots as we still have these isolated snow showers. We do have some heavier snow bands off to our west and southwest. We have some snow squall warnings in effect for far southwestern Pennsylvania. Not looking for squalls, but notice north of State College, we do have some isolated snow showers. May get clipped by those as the cold front starts moving into the valley. So first, some isolated snow showers, then skies will clear as the winds pick up and temperatures will fall fast. We'll be in the lower 20s around midnight and then fall to the single digits near dawn. And then we're in the single digits across much of the Susquehanna Valley first thing in the morning, with those wind chills possibly as cold as 20 below zero. It will have those sub-zero wind chills lasting through tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures only climbing to the teens while the sun is up. Now we'll have more sub-zero wind chills for Saturday night on into Sunday morning. It's Sunday afternoon. We could see those wind chills finally get back up above zero, but it is going to be below freezing for our highs on Sunday. We'll only make it to the upper teens to lower 20s for our highs. So this is why we have the extreme cold warning that goes to effect at 4 a.m. tomorrow. We also have a wind advisory that goes into effect at 4 a.m. tomorrow. Look at these wind gusts again, upwards of 40 to near 50 miles per hour. That's strong enough to cause some sporadic power outages. The winds will become less intense, but it's still going to be a stiff, bitter breeze out there for our Sunday into Sunday night, possibly gusting up to near 30 miles per hour. So here's a look at the current air temperatures. 24 if you're watching us in Ephrata, 25 in Elizabethtown, 26 in Hanover, 28 for you folks in Cashtown. But you can see that Arctic air is on our doorstep. Down to 21 in Pittsburgh, it's 16 in Detroit. This is what it feels like when you factor in the winds. Now it feels like it's 6 in Pittsburgh, feels like it's 3 below in Detroit, and it's over the Great Lakes where we are starting to see the winds pick up now up to 29 miles per hour. We're seeing a gust in Pittsburgh up to 36 miles per hour for you folks in Detroit. So we've got the snow moving on out. Cold Arctic air will be moving on in during the next couple of hours, and it is just going to be a brutally cold weekend ahead. So you can see just blustery conditions out there. We will see some sunshine throughout our Saturday on into Sunday, likely staying dry throughout the entire weekend. May get clipped by some isolated flurries on into Monday as the winds finally start to relax. Now, here's a look at that 10-day forecast. Brutally cold for the weekend. Temperatures only in the teens for tomorrow afternoon, up to near 20 for Sunday afternoon. Upper 20s likely for your Monday. We finally get above the freezing mark on Tuesday. Could see a wintry mix switching to plain rain showers on Wednesday. We are tracking some active weather as we head into Valentine's Day weekend. As of right now, could be a wintry mix switching over to rain or snow. That could be around throughout Saturday and Sunday for next week, and isolated showers for your forecast on President's Day.